Hello everyone, I am Raul Fangueiro, the chair of ICNF 2025, the 7th International Conference on Natural Fibers. This year, the ICNF will include several scientific topics, such as green composites, functional natural fibers, advanced fibrous structures based on natural fibers, biomimetics, among many others. At this event, you will have the opportunity to hear from some of the world's leading scientists and enjoy inspiring letters from experts like Mohini Sain, Seeram Ramakrishna, Julien Bras, Maya John, and many others. Join us in June 16 to 18 in Lisbon and be part of this leading event which finds in natural fibers the key for a more sustainable world. See you in Portugal's capital this June.